In this video, I will show you how to deposit cash on Revolut account. So let's dive into the video right now. About the bank account with physical card, this is crucial in order to deposit cash on your Revolut account, because what you need to do is you need to go to a local ATM, and when you insert your physical bank account card there, you are able to deposit cash physically and put it onto that account. And when you have done that and you have the cash on your account, you can actually deposit this onto your Revolut account, and I'm going to show you how that works. So the first thing that you're going to do is add money. Click on add money. And from here, you can basically select easy bank transfer, and you can select the currency and the amount that you want to deposit onto your account. And after you've finished, you can click on continue. After this, you can choose a bank to transfer from, and this is based on your location. So if you're using a local bank, then select this bank and then move on to the next screen. In this screen, you will be redirected to the bank you've selected, and from there, you will basically follow every single step to transfer the money onto your account. And if your bank is not listed, then you should scroll down and click on Other. And in this screen, you will see the account details from your Revolut account. And in order to deposit cash on your Revolut account, you need to use these details in your banking app to transfer the money. And that is how you deposit cash on your Revolut account. So there is not a way right now to directly deposit cash on your Revolut account. Unfortunately, you have to do it with something like this, but it's basically the same thing. You just go to a local ATM, you deposit your cash on there, and then you use that bank account where the cash is on to transfer it to your Revolut account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.